So today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing assembly and letting Patty try it out. We got her garden cart. She can roll up and down the aisles and when she's weeding and stuff, and so it won't be so hard on her back and knees. And I think she's using a 5-gallon bucket right now. So I got this from Harbor Freight. I think it was like $64, and so I figured, well, maybe somebody else out there interested in this and wanting to know how good it is. It looks pretty heavy duty. The box is pretty heavy, so I'm going to show you. We'll get this unboxed and assembled, and I'm going to take it out there to her right now and see how she likes it. Got four big old tires on it, and I believe they're 10-inch, so that ought to roll good on the ground. Some good tires right there. Look pretty heavy duty, and this will hold maximum weight 300 pounds. Got a nice little seat. Looks kind of like John Deere, don't it? And it's got a tray over underneath. And this is a frame, and man, I tell you what, this frame is heavy. This frame is definitely some heavy duty steel. That is a heavy frame. And I believe, yeah, it will adjust up high, the height. So that's good. I'm gonna get this up here on this table I'm working on. Okay, we've got the tires out of the package, hardware, axles, instructions, frame, tray, and the seat. So I'm going to run and get the tools that I need for the hardware, and then we'll get this thing put together. Okay, so there's the finished product. Now I'm going to show you, go over some things with you. It was very easy to put together. I just didn't want to bore y'all while I was sitting there putting it together, but I installed this first according to the instructions, and it's got 2 screws here, and then up under here is a steel plate that goes under here, so it protects the plastic so it don't rip the plastic. And I believe that was a number 10 nut, and then just Phillips screwdriver on that, and there's 2 here and 2 here. And once that was mounted, I installed the wheels, the axles, just run them through. It's got this washer here and then the nut, same thing on the other side, and I held it, I believe it was a 1/2 inch is what I used. So I held it on one side with a wrench, and then used a deep well socket to get in there on that. And you want to just snug them down, because if you tighten them too tight, then they won't turn. So just snug them down good, and you could feel it. These were actually a little tighter than these. These roll pretty good back here. So if I can roll one, so it rolls good. So that's what I did on the axles. And then the next thing you've got to, this is pretty cool, because this is the seat adjusts, and this is your tightening. You tighten that down and it locks it in place. So you've got to unloosen this, and I'm hoping, I don't know if that's a shadow, that sun's is bad, so sorry about that. And then I screwed this all the way out so that I could get to these 4 big bolts right here that's got these nuts on them, and these big nuts here, that I used a number 17 on that, and then a big old Phillips screwdriver. I'll tighten those 4 down. And then right here you have to install this washer and this Carter key. Make sure you bend these tabs back really good, because if you're reaching for some gloves or something under here and that Carter key's out, man, it will rip your hand good. So I bent them back good under there, if you can see. And so now I'm gonna take this out to Patty, let her set on it, and then I'll adjust the seat and then tighten this down. She'll be ready to go. And that's all it is to it. And the lady, she did talk me into getting a 2-year warranty. 2-year warranty was, I think, $18. And so I went ahead and got that. And she said you can bring it back for pretty much any reason. In fact, well, I'm not gonna say what she said. I don't want to get her in trouble. But you can bring it back for anything. She said if it has a flat tire or whatever, you can bring it back. So I've got 2 years to use this, and so if anything happens to it, I can bring it back and get a new one. So that's pretty good. They've got a good return policy there at Harbor Freight. So what else I can think of? The instructions were real good. To be honest with you, I didn't even follow the instructions. It was pretty obvious how it went, and it's pretty self-explanatory. I mean, the bolt sizes and screw, you can't get them mixed up. So it was really easy to put together. And you know, man, I didn't even follow the instructions. So all right, we're gonna carry this out there. Patty's already out there. Patty is already out there sitting on her 5-gallon bucket. So we're gonna take this out there and surprise her. This was actually an early birthday present. Her birthday is March the 21st. She'd been wanting one of these. She had one that was smaller than this and cheap, and she just flat wore it out. It just fell apart. So she's been wanting one of these, and we're doing so much weeding in the garden. I was like, I'm not gonna wait another couple of weeks. I'm gonna go ahead and get it for her, get her early birthday present, so she can start using it, because it will definitely help her knees and back and stuff. So all right, let's go take it out there. I got you a surprise. This thing's heavy. It weighs 30 pounds. I mean, this thing is solid steel. I can't, I'm holding it with one hand, about to kill me. Oh Lord, have mercy, get it. Whew.
Oh, goodness.
I know it, thing's heavy duty.
Well, it's got wheels, let's put it down.
Oh.
Well, that's cool.
It adjusts, so you need to set on it. We'll adjust the height then if it needs to go higher or lower. It won't go much higher, but it'll go a little lower.
Oh, that's cute.
Yeah, you got a little tray for your gloves and your tools, and
big enough for my big booty.
you might need like a towel or rag or something on that seat or something, and for a little cushion, you know.
Yeah. Ooh, well.
Does it need to go lower?
Well, no. I guess this bit. Not much room for my feet.
Oh, yeah.
Huh.
Well, it's a good thing we made these paths wide.
Well, yeah.
Scoot down and see how it works. Row down it. Row this way. Whee! If you want me to, I could put a little chainsaw motor on there for you. How's the seat height? It will go up a little bit more, or it'll go down a lot.
Down.
Down a little bit?
Yeah.
All right. All right, well, we'll get it adjusted. I told everybody it was your early birthday present. It was a surprise.
Yay.
I couldn't stand my woman out here sitting on a 5-gallon bucket pulling weeds.
Yep.
You gotta take care of them.
Yeah, the old knees don't like to get up and down as much. So this helps as you're wheeling around and doing stuff.
I told him about that other little one you had, and it flat out tore it up. Just it was.
You tore it out, and it was nothing but plastic.
Yeah, it was cheap.
But it lasted. We got it used, and it lasted probably 2 years.
Yep.
Even through a grandson who thought it was a car.
Yep. He pushed that thing all over this garden.
Yeah.
All right, you think you're gonna like it?
Think so.
Well, we'll get it adjusted and See how it does.
All right, thank you.
All right, roll it, see how it does.
Going uphill.
Does it roll good? And big tires?
My feet get in the way.
Yeah. Good thing these pads are as wide as they are, or it probably wouldn't work. So if you've got pads that are narrower than this, then you probably aren't going to, it's probably not going to work. If you've got beds and
These are 3 foot apart.
yeah, so if it's too much closer than 3 foot, it might not fit down through there, because you got to have a place for your feet.
Yeah.
So we adjusted it all the way down.
Because I'm short.
Yep. So you think it's going to work? You like it?
Yeah.
All right.
So far, so good.
All righty. Well, there you go, babe. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Okay, I'm gonna go inside. You get to work. You got to finish those right there, okay?
I know.
So if you need me, I'll be in my lounge chair, okay?
Okay.
Well, I think it is well worth 64 bucks, because that thing is heavy duty. It is heavy duty, and I think it's going to work out great. So if you're in the market for one of these, check out Harbor Freight, $64. And then, like I said, I got the $18 2-year warranty. And what else was I going to say? I forgot. I think that's it. So happy birthday to Patty. And I appreciate y'all watching. Hit that thumbs up, and if you got anything to say, leave us a comment. We appreciate it. Thanks for your support. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a Southern blessed day.